with tulasi quinoa, I am going to make some buns. That is like, we can have it the way we want, like a meat burger, buns, and you can have it like a savory thing. Now I am going to use tulasi quinoa seeds, that is coming from South America. It's very good and healthy. I think those who are going for gym, or if you want to lose weight like me, you can use this. Right now what you could do is wash this again, same way we have to wash this nicely and put it into the pressure cooker. Brand, now we use about half a cup of these seeds, just like the way we did the kodo, we use this also. If I use half a cup of this, you know what we have to do is use 1 cup of washed nicely, strained, and then I have used here. Now what am I going to do? I will pressure cook these as I have given you. 3 whistles we will take it out. I have to wait for 3 whistles and then we take it out. As I told you, take it out, spread it on a plate, keep for a while, and then you can see, while in a sense about 1 or 2 hours if you can keep, better, so that you will get those millets come out very well, and then you can cook the way you want. But you can cook like rice, you can cook whatever way you want, but now we are going to do like meat burgers, meat bun to do. Watch what I am going to do now. Put a little oil, Sanu's coconut oil I have put, and now I am going to use the vegetables, all finely chopped vegetables. Onions, capsicum, garlic, and a little red pepper, carrots, all that we put, and we start tempering. We temper all this. While I am tempering, the Himalayan pink salt I am using. Oh, it's lovely. Turmeric, pepper, chili pieces, and a little chili powder. Not too much, but a little. All that we put, mix it nicely, stir fry. While you stir fry this with the coconut oil, quinoa is also, now it's already, see how it looks, very nice, very nice. It's been used into this and mixed well. Stir fry, and you can have it like a meal also, but I am not going to use it that way. What I am going to do now, I want to put a little curry leaves also, just break, and I want a little capsicum date chutney. Nicely mix it and take it off. Whatever way we want, we can have it. So it's lovely. The capsicum date chutney, homey pickles. It's a chutney pickle, we can call it. I have stir fried all these things together, the vegetable and the quinoa and everything, we have mixed it. Now chutney also we put, that is a pickle. Press this into the ice cream scooper nicely, and then you take it and put it like that. It's easy to use. Now what we are going to do is we will cook this for a while. Like this you put, mix it well. Press it and flatten it like cake and have it ready. This we will do it nicely like this, cook and take it. quickly we can cook this and take it. Now we take this out as a bun, we take it nicely. If we want to make it into a nice cake like, I have to use a little potatoes also, but we are not using, and I didn't want to use my hands to make it into a ball also. This we will take it like this and keep it. I want to do something else for that. Watch. We take this bun into two and put a little butter and the mustard cream. Toast it slightly. Toast this slightly. And after toasting it, nicely it comes. Let it be. Now what I am going to do is place a salad leaf, tomatoes, and we use this mixture on top and cover it up. It's ready for us to serve it. Once you go to the gym and come, I think this is the best food that you could have it. In a different way, if you want to do it, what we can do is even a little of the pickle you can put to make it more tastier. If you like, you can use the pickle, which I have taken the cucumber date pickle, which homey pickle. Oh, that will be even better with the tomatoes, quinoa, cake that we have it, we can put it there. And what will I do now? Actually what I do is I make it into balls, but today I didn't want to make it into balls. See, this could go like that and it's ready to serve. Now this is very nice, the burgers with the quinoa. We have done this and we'll make a small salad also and show you. Along with the meat burgers, salad, I have made a small salad and we could use even the iceberg lettuce, which I have put it in ice water and kept so that it becomes a little crunchy. It's very nice to use the iceberg lettuce. See, this is how you do that. And we have all the healthy food under the sun. See what we could do it here. Now what I am going to do is the chutney. That is the pickle that I am using, chutney and olives. Mix together, mix it, and of course I want the sunflower seed, toasted sunflower seeds. Can use a little into that. It's lovely to have that along with the salad and of course pumpkin seeds also. Now these, when I use it, I can just think about it. When you make a cake, instead of using only the cashew nuts and sultanas, you can use the pumpkin seeds and you can use even the sunflower toasted seeds, which you could use. It's really nice, I would say. This is how you have to make all these things like. And last of all, I use a little olive oil. Olive oil is also healthy and I am sure you know about it. So that we will use our best Himalayan pink salt. That is also, you know, it's a very good thing that you could use. A little pepper that I am going to use. Mix it well. Pickles we have used, and we have used the tulasi, toasted sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds, all that together. What do you think about it? It's healthy. Health is wealth. So this is how you make all these things so that it will be really good and healthy. Tulasi brand, all these millet seeds that we have used here is very good, healthy, and I am sure you will like it the way I have showed you, and you try it out and see how it comes. Likewise, even the pickle that we have got it here is homey pickle. And those pickle also we can use into food different ways, into sandwiches, into buns, into savory rice, everything that you want, even rotis you can use, so that you can try it out all these dishes. And what about the coconut oil? Sanu's coconut oil is also very good. And of course, when it comes to stir fry, we need the oil. We need oil. Without oil, we can't live, because you know our skin gets dried up if you don't have a little bit of oil in our food. So this is also very good and healthy food I have prepared for you. And till we meet in the next episode, I will say bye from you now. Thank you very much for watching.